Hydraulic semi-automatic welding machine. Use tutorial preparation. Connect the hydraulic oil pipe. Connect the machine oil circuit. Connect the heating plate air line. Connect the milling cutter power supply. Turn on the air switch. Adjust the temperature controller. Set the target temperature. Remove the excess clips according to the pipe specifications to be welded. Welding process. First, install the 2P pipes on the left and right sides of the frame. Reserve the width of the milling cutter in the middle, and lock and press the screws. Turn the pressure regulating valve knob clockwise to the minimum and pull the rod forward to start the hydraulic system. Turn the pressure regulating valve knob clockwise slowly and uniformly until the frame cylinder moves at a steady and uniform speed. Record the pressure value P0, that is, the drag pressure. Lever forward adjustment pressure regulating valve is the pressure value displayed as P. Set welding pressure lever backward to make cylinder back. 3. The milling pin into the milling cutter. Insert the safety latch. Open the milling cutter switch after the rod forward, so that both ends of the pipe stick to the milling cutter plate surface for cutting. After the pipe mouth cutting flat, the rod back to make the pipe separation. Close the milling cutter switch, remove the milling cutter, remove the cutting debris, and clean the pipe mouth welding surface and the inner and outer walls with a clean towel. Or, the correction lever forward is combined with the pipe mouth. Check whether the side of the pipe mouth by adjusting the pressing screw to adjust the side adjustment. After forming, pull dry and step back to separate the pipe. 5. Welding. When the welding temperature is reached, put the dial rod of the heating plate forward to observe the pipe orifice. Form a rolling edge. Open the pressure retaining valve to relieve pressure, so that the pipe for heat absorption. After decompression, lock the pressure retaining valve. When the heat absorption time is reached, the dial rod to separate the pipe. Take out the heating plate. Immediately merge the pipe. Hang cow into the cooling state. Hang cow is completely cooled. Open the pressure retaining valve, release pressure, remove the fixture, take out the pipe and finish welding.